Me, myself, Devendra Mande, Assistant Professor of Economics, Government First Grade College, Chikkodi. Today we will discuss about the capital formation and economic development, what is actually its role in the economic development, role of capital formation in economic development also. Earlier classes we studied its actual meaning, what it means actually, what the actual meaning of capital, and what's the meaning of capital formation. So why in India, like developing countries or the undeveloped countries have a low level of capital formation? So what is the necessity of that particular formation of capital is essential for the development of that particular country? All those things we discussed. So in present class, we will discuss about its role. We already know so many things that it increases the investment, capital formation increases investment, and also which affects economic development in two ways. Firstly, it increases per capita income and enhances the purchasing power, which in turn creates more effective demand. Secondly, invest leads to an increase in production. So one is it increases the per capita income and enhances purchasing power, and also it leads to an increase in production also. So we know the word capital formation is used in narrow sense as well as in broader sense. In narrow sense, it refers to physical capital stock, which includes machines, machinery, etc. In a broader sense, it includes non-physical capital or human resource consisting of public health, efficiency, craft, visible and indivisible capital. So, like this. So, I already know about its meaning. Capital formation refers to the increase in the stock of real capital in an economy during an accounting period. In other words, it is the creation of things that help us produce more. The term capital accumulation has the same meaning as capital formation. Capital accumulation involves the creation of more capital goods. We use capital goods to make products and provide services. In economics, capital means the factors of production that we use to create goods. So now we will discuss about its role of capital formation in economic development. Capital formation or accumulation is regarded as the key factor in economic development of an economy. That, as we told, Nerk's sentence, that is, the vicious circle of poverty, according to Nerk's, can easily be broken in underdeveloped countries or developing countries through capital formation. As a matter of fact, it leads to an increase in the size of national employment, income, and output, thereby the acute problems of inflation and balance of payment. Role means few roles are there. How it helps, how the it plays a very important role in economic development. Formation of sound infrastructure. The first one is formation of sound infrastructure. Capital accumulation goes a long way in the development of basic capital goods in underdeveloped production. And second one is of about maximum utilization of natural resources is possible with the help of that capital formation only. There is an increase in the capacity of risk taking by capital formation by which fresh natural resources are made available, and also proper use of human capital formation. Human have capital. Human capital is there in India, but there need a skillfulness. This is only possible with the help of that formation, capital formation. Human capital formation depends on the people's education. It means education is needed, training is needed, health and social and economic security is also needed there. These are all provided with the help of that capital formation only. So next is of about the point is of about improvement in technology also. It is seen that present changes in the capital structure lead to changes in structure and size of technique and technologies. High rate of economic growth. The higher rate of capital formation in a country means the higher rate of economic development. Economic growth or the economic development is possible with the help of the rate of growth of the economic capital formation. Agricultural development is also possible with this, and industrial development is also possible. It is seen that modern agriculture and industrial development needs adequate funds for adoption of latest mechanized techniques. Therefore, for the development of agriculture and industry, there need a capital formation. It also helps in increase in national income. Capital formation improves the conditions and methods for the production of a country. It also helps in the expansion of economic activities. Increase in the rate of capital formation, productivity also increases. Increase in economic welfare. By the increase in rate of capital formation, public is getting more facilities. Yeah, increase in economic welfare, as we know Alfred Marshall. Less dependence on foreign capital. Process of capital formation increases dependence on internal sources. So in this way, capital formation plays a very vital role in the economic development. For the development of any economy, like India or underdeveloped or developing economy, there compulsory need a capital formation. With the help of this only, there is a possibility of growing